Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be restoring old table which you could see was in very bad condition. It was already repainted, so I'm gonna take down the old paint and you will see how I'm gonna paint it. As you can see, the drawer is still on the original condition, so we are gonna change that as well. Now I'm using sandpaper to take the old paint down. I'm gonna be using all-purpose filler to fill the gaps on the table that they are not that visible, so the table is gonna be looking more like new. I'll let it dry out and then I'll sand it with the sandpaper again, just a little bit. The table is sanded down and now I'm starting to paint it with the Rust-Oleum furniture paint, and the color is slate. After this is done, I'm gonna use white chalk paint to make the shadows on the table. Now I'm gonna paint the handle to make the vintage look. After the white painting with the brush is done, I'm gonna take a sponge and I'm gonna dip it in the water and little bit of white paint, and I'm gonna go all over the table with it, and then I'm gonna take wet cloth and I'm gonna do it all over again to make it the vintage look. In the end, I decided to add some more white on the corners of the table, but I didn't record it. As you could see, the final product looks like this. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and give a like. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye!